serene, serene. Yoga brings serenity to my soul. The view at the beach was serene. Exquisite, exquisite. The artist created an exquisite painting. The chef prepared an exquisite dish. Pensive, pensive. Seeing her friends bake left Sarah feeling pensive about her future. He looks pensive for a moment. Vivacious, vivacious. The children at the party were vivacious. She said it was a vivacious debate. Voracious, voracious. He has a voracious appetite for food. The voracious reader finished 3 books in just 1 week. Astonished, astonished. They were astonished at her command of language. I was astonished by the amount he spends. Crave, crave. He craves chicken at dinner. She has a bad habit of sugar craving in the middle of night. Violent, violent. They witnessed a violent struggle between police and protesters. She has a violent behavior. Melancholy, melancholy. The music evoked a deep sense of melancholy in her heart. Emptiness of house brings melancholy. Ambivalent, ambivalent. His thoughts are ambivalent to him. She remains ambivalent about her marriage.